Security is a race against risk. Teams are burned out, fighting through the noise, and now facing adversaries armed with AI. Old playbooks can't keep up. You need a smarter approach. Enter Elastic Security, best-in-class prevention built into an AI-driven SOC, helping you go from incident to response with industry-leading speed. Elastic Security unifies next-gen SIEM and the world's best-rated XDR with native automated response powered by workflows. AI-driven attack discovery surfaces threats that matter, correlating alerts, behaviors, and attack paths, telling analysts where to look first. Our AI assistant uses your environment's context to answer critical questions and suggest remediation steps. When it's time to act, Elastic Workflows gets the job done. It combines scripted automation with agentic AI to close the loop, right where your data lives. Use the LLM of your choice. No black boxes, just transparency and control. And with our distributed data mesh architecture, you can search, analyze, and hunt across all your data. Deploy Elastic Security your way on any cloud, on-prem, or hybrid. Best of all, it's built on the Elasticsearch platform, trusted by millions. Modernize your SOC with Elastic Security. Start your free trial today